So here we have the real young H700 truly wearable stereo earphones, a blend of luxury design with high-end audio, featuring scale-like patterns, jewel-like finishes, and a premium aluminium plus leather charging case. They're crafted as both fashion and function. The adaptive G-type ear hooks and 10.5 gram open-ear design ensure comfort and stability, while dual driver hybrid speakers, high-res audio, aptX adaptive, and Qualcomm QCC3091 deliver powerful bass, crystal clear detail, and ultra low latency. With CVC 8.0 noise reduction, AI features, 8 plus 32 hours battery, and customizable magnetic leather covers, the H700 offers a secure, stylish, and high-performance audio experience. So I'm really excited to do the unboxing and trying this out. So enough said, let's get on with it, shall we? So here it goes. Before we get into the unboxing, please have a look at this instruction card. It's beautifully presented with a really nice sketch. So pause and have a quick look. So it's not the first time I've seen such packages, and these are definitely the eco-friendly ones, and it's really nicely designed, isn't it? Like a handbag. So first things first, let's actually cut this string that seems to be holding all of these together. Okay, so what do we have here? So we got the real young information card, a warranty card. Next one is the package certificate. Really cool, with a QR code. So the moment of truth, let's open it up. Wow, look at that. Really nice package indeed. So this is the USB-C to USB-C. So it needs a lot of power, definitely. And we got the real young logo on it. Really nicely presented indeed. And below that, we got the main case. Really good weight already. Can't wait to get rid of this actual cover. Okay, take it out. Whoa, so it's like a leather-like or true leather case. Got real young, the logo on it as well. And whoa, that is beautiful indeed. But before we get into this, I'm sorry, but let's also check out the rest of the things as well. So it seems we've got something inside here. So if we were to pull this out, it's quite clear that we got different sizes of ear plugs that you can go through based on your preference. There you go, let's take it out. Oh, that's really nice. Normally it's like a solid color, but these are transparent, soft casing, and really soft as well. Good as it looks. And if we were to open up here and take it out, so this is the quick start guide. So please do pause and have a quick look. Nice. Now back to the case itself. It's much smaller, elegant than I thought it's going to be. Really high quality finish. And this is obviously where you put the string to dangle it, carry it with you. And this is the USB-C plug and the LED light indicator of the battery level, quite obvious. So again, opening this up, I'm just in great awe how beautiful this looks. It's just amazing. So this is the beautiful scale, 3 lines going through, and the silicone joint typical open ear earbuds headphones have. So it's very flexible indeed. And on the speaker itself, that's how it looks like. So I'm sure you guys can see it. It's 1 and 2 source of speakers, so that looks very effective indeed. That's very good actually, isn't it? And this is where the magnetic joint is joining here to charge, and obviously it's like magnetically fits very well. Yeah, can you see that? It pulls in. and also the cover as well. It's overall probably one of the best quality earbuds case that I've ever got in my hands into. Really exciting indeed. Also on the bottom of this scale part, we got the R letting you know that's the right hand side, and that tiny hole here is where the microphone is. Okay, so that applies to both ends, as you can see, left, and then also another microphone hole here. So the moment of truth, let's actually try these on. I'm so excited to see how it's going to look like. So the way how you do this is you rotate it sort of like that, almost 90 degrees, and then you make sure that this top of the ear bit, it sort of embraces it, and then this needs to go to your ear canal, and then you just rotate it as much as you can. Okay, that pretty much feels secured, and that's how it looks like. So I can't see how it looks, but I'm sure it's gonna look really cool. Same thing, so rotate it here, embrace it on the top, and then rotate it, and then the speaker overlaps to the ear canal, and that's pretty much it. I can already tell from the camera reflection that it looks kind of cool. I look like one of those manga characters, don't I? Like that. That's how it looks like. And the other way around. And that's how it looked like from the front point of view. So other than top embrace bit, you hardly get the feel of it. It's very comfortable actually. It feels like the rest is floating because you don't really feel the ear canal of any contacts of speaker and any sorts. So let's do a bit of a quick shake test, shall we? So, okay, like that. Rock and roll. Oh, I'm gonna get a bit of a headache for this, but just wanna do this for you guys because I love you. So if you imagine doing a bit of a jogging, then that shouldn't be a problem at all. It's good, isn't it? All right, so as you can see, the H700 is now connected to the app and the phone. So if we click on the actual thing, it shows you the EQ settings. So you can go for default, funk, speech, rock, pop, classic, custom, and then we could actually move these around, which we will get onto it later on. The low latency as well, if you click on it, this basically is for your left or right ear settings when you click, or any other different functions of double click, 3 strikes, long press, and etc. Find it is basically where if you lost it, this, people, is very useful actually. If you confirm, I don't know whether you can hear it. So, yeah, against my speaker, mic, that's how you can find it, okay? Very useful indeed. Now, if you go to the left-hand side bottom, we got AI function here. That's very interesting. We got translation, recording, and AI assistant. So not only this is for the sound entertainment system, we got translation for binaural mode or simultaneous interpretation as well. On the recording, we got meeting transcript, audio recording, AI chat, and AI search as well. That's brilliant. So for the binaural mode, if you click on it, basically you can have 2 ways of conversation. So one for one language, the other for the other language. So each person to have one each and have conversation. Okay, so let's press the X mark. And then as you can see on the top, we got Korean to English on it. Okay, so I will actually try the Korean on the right hand side. And then let's press translate on this one. So it's preparing. So you need to wait a bit. Okay, so it's good. So I'm going to speak in Korean. 안녕하세요. Good. Hello. Okay. So 반갑습니다. Very good. It says nice to meet you. So you can have ongoing conversation with one person to another. Now, if we click on simultaneous interpretation, the difference is that you use your mobile phone as someone to speak the foreign language to translate, and the sound will come into both of your earbuds, okay? The next one is recording. So if you click on meeting transcript, basically you'll be able to record all the speech to text. Okay, so click on that and it will record it to you through the mobile phone. And the other one is audio recording. So if you click on it, basically these are for the voice recorded records, so you could go back and check and etc. Next one is AI chat. It's a mood mentor, by the way, so I'm just going to talk to the thing. Nice to meet you. It's very good. Nice to meet you too. How's your day going? Okay, so let me actually place the mic in here. I'm feeling fine. How is your day? That's very good.
I'm doing great. I'm always excited to chat with you. Is there anything new and interesting you'd like to talk about?
So as you can see, this is powered by Volcano engine, AI generated, is for informational purpose only. Okay, so that's a bit slow, but it's good enough, I think, for having a decent conversation. And it's still recording whatever I'm saying. Blah 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 blah. And lastly, it's AI search. So if we click on it, you can actually choose what sort of AI model. So it's Doubao, DeepSeek, and so on. Okay. And voice assistant is that you can actually choose different characters. For example, this is the emotional comforter. And we got a few other characters that you can actually choose from as well. This slide actually looks like a singer, don't you think? It's pretty cool. So like a teacher as well. So the difference is the mood mentor, knowledge navigator, productivity partner, and trend scout as well. So there's quite a lot of functions that you can actually enjoy with this mere earbuds headphones. Now the right hand side bottom is pretty much the main page of what we just saw all along, and if you go to mine, it shows my device, language setting, about us, suggestion and feedback, user guide, my records, firmware upgrade, app version, and app setup as well. So here comes my favorite part. We're going to carry out a binaural test by this homemade device by playing this fantastic track called Skylume by Declan DP. So let's get on with it. Through Lego here. So this is the Hasbro Takara Tomy collaboration. It comes with 1,505 pieces and battery included as well, because apparently it makes a sound when you press the play button. And the size when you completely build it is 33 centimeters tall and 18 centimeters wide, and it could transform the way how the Transformer toy used to do as well. Since I ordered this from the official Lego shop, they also notched me the brick heads, which is the Fortnite edition. So this one, I'm sure my daughter's gonna love it. But enough said, let's review this in a traditional LJP tech way. Okay, so I got both of these on my ears. So let's play the same track again, Skylume by Declan DP. Okay, so the sound settings I have at the moment is default, and the guitar sound is very sharp and crisp. Impressive. So let's change to funk. Oh, that's okay, that's strong. So I'm gonna lower the volume a bit. Let's go for speech. Yep. So because 1.5 and 5K is a bit lower, less of the surrounding, focusing on the sharp bit of the speech. Let's go for rock. Oh, that's very good. Okay, I get it. Yep. So if you want bass entertainment side of it for the sound, go for rock. And pop is very, yeah, very colorful. It's well distributed actually. And classical is gone overall quiet, so suitable for classical music. I have to say, overall, the treble sound is very strong. It's a good sign actually. Some people might say, that hurts, but you know, if you find the treble sound to be too strong, you can either lower the volume or definitely use the custom to be able to lower the treble and enhance the rest. So it's a very powerful, sharp sounding system, I would say, overall. So I'm using this app that could record the microphone quality of Real Young H700, and I listened to it early on. You can actually hear what I'm actually saying here, every single word, but overall it feels like I'm a bit distant away from the recording mic. I'm sure you're going to agree, so it feels like I'm on a speakerphone, about 1 or 2 meters away from the actual phone kind of feel, I think. Don't you agree? So the Real Young H700 is a truly unique earphone that blends style and performance. It looks like a fashionable accessory that turns heads, yet surprises with excellent sound quality. With a premium design featuring a leather case and smooth aluminum finish, it feels high-end while staying comfortable for long wear. What sets it apart is the advanced tech inside, offering not just music playback, but also live translation, transcription, and AI interaction. The open-ear design delivers sharp, clear treble with plenty of room to customize the sound to your taste, making the H700 both a statement piece and a versatile audio device. So I hope this video showed you how cool this Real Young H700 is. But if you have any queries, please do comment below. And thank you very much for watching this video. This is Robot Review Tech. All the best. Bye-bye.